Hi guys, let's build a website with Node.js and Express.js, and this is how we are going to display on the localhost 3000. So here is my code. I am going to set up the development environment and we will create Express server. So you have to do with npm init. So write the npm, and if you have already installed npm, created the index.js file. So here is my index.js file, so you can create, and after that you can npm install express. So npm install express, you are going to install the express server, and then create a server.js file in a root directory. I have created the node express root directory server.js, and here we are writing the express. So I will first require express. So we are writing constant express required express, and then we will create an instance of express. So I have created instance of the express here. Constant app is equal to express, and after that, we create the constant port, define the port. Express servers usually listen port 3000. So I have created constant port 3000. And then I have a callback here that takes a request and response object. Uh, and we need some root that we can open in the browser. So we are writing app.get and root, and here we are having a request and response callback server callback here that takes a request and response object. To start the server, we need to tell it where to listen. So I have written app.listen port, console.log express server listening on port, and we are giving in curly bracket port so that it will listen to the port, and it will start localhost 3000. So here we are doing the static index.html file I have created so that it could route to the index.html. So here just you have to create the HTML file, write the header and body, give the some divisions. In division, whatever you want to display, you want to display home and feedback and all the guest speaker list. So you can create your own an HTML file, and here is I have created another speakers.html file. So it is just HTML head and body you have to write and put it the division and list. That's it. And main is the server.js file. So here like app.get request response. So app.get setups a get route handler for the root URL of the website. This means the user visits the localhost port like 3000. This functions runs, and request and response arrow function. This is a callback functions. This is a callback functions that handles HTTP request and sends back a response. And here is the send file. Send file is like sends a file to the client as the response. And path.join, here path.join is the like creates absolute path to the file you want to serve. And I have written directory name. Directory name is the Node.js global variable that gives directory of the current file. And then I have written path.join, safely joins directly paths. It avoids OS specific issues. And I have written dot static index.html, means the index.html file inside a static folder in the same directory as our script. So in the same directory I have made a static folder and I have written HTML. Let's run this program. So for that we need to write node server.js. So node server.js, and it will run express server listening on the port.